Okay, hello students. Now today we learn our last topic in the third chapter, that is last topic is inserting images. Now how to insert images in HTML? See, some formats are given in your textbook, which are, first one is graphics interchange format, that is GIF. Second one is joint photographic expert group, that is JPEG. Okay, and the third one is portable network graphics, that is PNG. These are the extension of your images. Now what are these extension of the image? I will show you now. See, uh, in your textbook, page number 66, table is given. Okay, inserting images, some attributes are given, attributes of the image tag. First one is SRC, that is the source tag. Okay, it defines what? It specifies the URL of an image, means the source of an image, where you stored your image, that defines the SRC tag. Then the second one is alternate text, ALT, that is the specifies what? The alternate text for an image. Okay, see, means the example is given here, image src is equals to a1.jpg. A1 is the name of the image and ALT is the alternate, means suppose this image is not available, then it will show you this message that image is not available. Okay, after that, height and width tag is given here. It specifies the height of an image, and the second one is specifies the width of an image. Okay, see, these are the tags, image src, and image name is given here, height of the image is given, then after that height and width of the image is given. Understood? Now we'll see what is exactly is. See, I type this program here, same program which are there in your textbook. This is your last program in the third chapter on page number 67. Okay, see, HTML tag is given, head tag is given, title tag is given. Title is given here, inserting an images. Okay, then head tag close, then body tag. In the body tag, h2 tag, that is heading tag is given here, inserting an images. After this, in image tag is given, image src. Src means what? Source file. Okay, means it will showing you where is your images. Image src is what? flower.jpg. My image name is flower.jpg. Okay, and another is image src is flowers.jpg, and alternate text is image is not available. Okay, what is the meaning of this both is, I have my image on the desktop. First of all, first you have to type this program here in the notepad file. After typing this program, go to file and save this file. Give the name as image.html. Okay, in the previous video also I told you that image, whatever name you can put here, but .html, the extension is very important here. Okay, you have to put this .html compulsory here. After this, I will select my path, that is I want to save my save this program on my desktop. So I will select here desktop and click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, it will show you the desktop. See, it will show you file on your desktop. See, img.html. I save this file. Now you can see here on my file, see, on the on your desktop, flower.jpg, this image is also available. Okay, this same name you have to give in your program file. See, flower.jpg. Okay, same name you have to give in your program and same path you have to give. Suppose you are saving your file on the desktop, then your image file also you have to save on the desktop only. Okay, if you want to save this file in the document or your particular folder, then with this only together you have to save your image file uh, with this file, HTML file. Understood? Now my image file, this HTML file is on the desktop, so your JPG file, that is your image file, also on the desktop. Okay, after this, see, suppose I'll run this program. What is happening here? See, my image is showing here. Okay, that flower.jpg image is showing here, but here image is not available. Why it's showing me image is not available? Because see, I wrote in this program image src is equals to flowers.jpg, but what is the name of this file is flower, not flowers. Okay, suppose you rename this file as flowers. Suppose I am renaming this file as flowers. Okay, now you can go and save this file, and now run your file on this desktop. See what is happening now. See, now the first image is not giving me. Okay, the first image is not available and the second image is available now, because the alternate text is not showing here, because in my coding I will not give the alternate text here. See, I will give the alternate text on the second image source tag. Suppose I delete this, you can select this, cut this and paste it on your first image source tag. Okay, now save this file and reload your file again. See, now it will showing you the alternate text here. Okay, image is not available. Understood? What is the how to insert the images in your HTML file, students? Okay, now this is the end of your program. This is the end of your chapter. This was the last program which I taught you now. In the next video we will start with the next chapter, fourth chapter. Okay, till then, all of you take care of yourself and happy vacation. Thank you so much.